Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this turquoise electric pop-in. Also, I wanted to mention the lashes that Melly sent me. These are in the style mamasita. The box, and she sent me like these ones. She sent me these, and then she also sent me these packs of ones. So you guys hit up Melly for lashes. These are my favorite at the moment. Like, I literally love how this makeup looks with this lash. She also added like a couple like candies and stuff, and she also gave me this ankle bracelet. This is, you guys, this is so pretty. And then these lashes are just everything. I'll wear them every day type. Thank you again, Melly, for sending me this ankle bracelet. And I also love all the things that you sell on your Instagram. So I'm gonna leave her link below. I'm gonna shout her out. And yeah, I'm gonna keep watching for the makeup look. Stay tuned.